Today I'm planting 3 seeds in these root trainers, which has a container to hold and the dome to put on it. These 3 seeds that I'm planting today, I have not been successful with. I tried last year and they did germinate. However, when I just planted them, they did not make it. They didn't survive. And one of them is Hyacinth bean. Soil temperature for this is 65 to 70. I'm gonna put it inside here and it's gonna be next to the radiator. And it requires full sun, and the depth for planting is half to an inch. Average germination time is 10 to 20 days. I have them pre-moist, well, soaking water for about 3 hours now. I am going to pre-moist this soil, seed starting mix, I'm sorry. So it holds on to the form, but it doesn't drip water, so this should be good. Anyways, let me give you the stats for lisianthus. I have Chroma Tree Red lisianthus. These I got from Swallowtail. And then it says planting instructions. Sow in cell packs or flat. Press into soil, barely cover. Needs light and warmth to germinate. Keep at 80 degrees germination. Is 10 to 20 days. Do not direct sows as well. And I have, this is the one I tried last year. And I don't know, I got this from Amazon, so that could be the problem. I'm gonna try it again. This is supposed to be Voyage Lavender or something like that. I'm gonna follow the same instruction as the other one. And let's see what happens. But I bought it last year and I tried it and didn't even germinate. So I'm just gonna try for that one. Probably one of the cells. And for the Hyacinth bean, I'm gonna try 2. And for the other lisianthus, then maybe 3 and 3. 3 lisianthus, 3 Hyacinth bean, and then 1 for the lisianthus I got from Amazon. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's just fill in this box.